Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and this video I'll show you how you can screen share on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you have to do is simply access your Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Right over here you can find this kind of interface, right? Afterwards, simply go ahead, tap on this little chat icon in the bottom left, and now you have find this kind of interface, and you're gonna simply go ahead, choose a user whom you would simply like to call and share your screen with. You have to make sure that you do video call, then only you will be able to access that particular option. Now go ahead, tap on this video call option on top. You will be able to find this kind of interface right over here, and here in this section you're gonna find this plenty of options, right? If you see this particular option, which is simply the option for you to screen share, once you have tapped on it, you have to simply allow it to share your screen with that particular user, and whatever activity you do on your phone, they will be able to check it out. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys on our next video.